Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Meet or Google Calendar to schedule. Once signed in, click New Meeting or choose Schedule in Calendar, because scheduling adds a persistent link. Make sure to name the meeting and pick the correct date and time. This creates the meeting ID and shareable link. If you add guests now, invitations include the link automatically, which saves manual copying later. Doing this first keeps the link consistent and easy to share. Once the event exists or you started an instant meeting, find the Join with Google Meet link in the event details or the meeting window. Click Copy Joining Info or the link itself to place it on your clipboard. Next, paste the link where participants will see it: calendar invite, email, team chat, or messaging app, so everyone has access. Make sure to confirm time zones when pasting into cross-region invites, because incorrect time zone settings break attendance despite a valid link. Finalize by checking host controls and guest permissions in the meeting settings so participants can join smoothly. If someone reports a bad link, first resend the copied link. Once done, recreate the meeting and issue a new link if problems persist, because links can be invalidated by canceled events. If issues continue, make sure participants use supported browsers and that domain or admin policies aren't blocking Meet. This single troubleshooting step, verify account and browser restrictions, resolves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.